how to transfer crypto from Binance to Web3 wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to your Web3 wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Binance app and log into your account. Then open your Web3 wallet and navigate to the Receive section. Over here, you will see the option to move funds from exchange to Web3 wallet. After that, click on Transfer In. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and choose the appropriate network. For example, if you're transferring USDT, you can select the BEP20 network for lower fees. Next, confirm the withdrawal details, including the network, address, and amount. After that, press Confirm to complete the transfer. Then, within a few minutes, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Web3 wallet. So, that's how you can transfer crypto from Binance to your Web3 wallet. That's all for this video.